In this session, you will learn about how to insert 3D models available in the Insert tab and how to format them. See, two options are there when you click on down arrow key, that is in this device. Means in your computer, if you have 3D models, you can insert them. Otherwise, you can select stock 3D models. So, if you have internet connection, then you can insert all these 3D models. So, for example, here are different categories available. For example, all animated models. If you click on this option, these are animated models. Suppose I am selecting this one and you can select some other. Finally, you can say insert. These two are animated models. See, it is taking to load. It is taking some time to load because they are animated models and they will occupy some memory. Okay, so we have two animated pictures here. We can enlarge them, and for this also I can enlarge. See, in the inner part of the animated model, you have a symbol. So, that is to rotate three-dimensional way. See, click and drag using your mouse. So, that will get the direction what you selected. For example, for this I am clicking and dragging to rightwards. Okay, and finally, if you want to set back the original position, and here reset 3D model is there. Reset 3D model and size also is there. So, that is the original model when you insert that picture. And we have different views. See, different views too, and we can rotate here. Otherwise, we have different views. And if you select this one, this also will get different views like that. And if you want to insert more, you go for 3D models and stock 3D models and select some other category. For example, I am going to select, see, first three are animated models, and suppose I am selecting furniture, and here in this, suppose I am clicking this one and say insert. It is getting load. Okay, finally inserted. So, for this also we have different options to rotate. Click on the inner side of the picture and you can rotate to up to your requirement. And here we have this kind of predefined models. Okay. And finally, you can set back the model using reset model. to the original position.